Hello guys and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy your Kishu Inu coin on your Trust Wallet application, step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to be opening up your Chrome application like so. Once it's opened up, you're going to be heading to coinmarketcap.com. I already have it opened. I'll be pasting the link in the description of the video. You simply need to scroll down and click on copy. The Kishu Inu is built on the Ethereum blockchain, as we can see here. It's built on Ethereum, yes, just Ethereum. It's not built on the smart chain network. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open up our Trust Wallet application. You head over to Trust Wallet, you open it up, you input your passcode to be able to gain access to the app, and we head over to the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. You click on it and you paste the wallet address and it shows up. For those of you who can't get the toggle, you scroll down on the search tokens icon. Scroll down. Once you've clicked search token, you just scroll down a bit and head over to add custom token. You click on the network Ethereum. You paste the contract address you just copied from coinmarketcap.com. You paste it in, Kishu Inu shows up and you click on done. And once you're done with that, you have your Kishu Inu wallet here. You can either swap for some other coins, which I'd advise. If you have some Ethereum on your Trust wallet, you could swap your Ethereum for the Kishu Inu if that's what you need. Or you could use some other Ethereum-based coins. Or you could go with Smart Chain and click on your BNB or BUSD. Okay, that doesn't work for this particular swapping. Okay, so I'll show you how to get your Kishu Inu on Trust Wallet. The option to buy directly from Trust Wallet is not available. So we'll be heading over to the DApp section at the bottom right corner of the screen. While we're there, we're going to be looking for the exchange platform known as PancakeSwap. Don't forget guys, in order to use PancakeSwap, you have to be connected. You give it some time to load up. It loads up its services quickly. You click on the wallet icon to check if you're connected, like so. And here we are. You scroll down a bit and you click on cake. We're changing the cake to our custom wallet address. That's the Kishu Inu. No result found. Okay, I think we're going to be having to swap our network to the Ethereum network. It's giving us a bit of a hassle. We'll have to do it directly from here. Ethereum. Okay guys, and once you've switched to your Ethereum network, you simply click on either Ethereum or the other coin below. You click on it, you paste in your contract address copied, you paste it in, Kishu Inu, you click on Kishu Inu, Kishu, and you could simply swap your Ethereum to Kishu Inu. Yes guys, that's just how it's done, and thank you for tuning into today's video. If you have any questions concerning how to buy your Kishu Inu coin, comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.